Good morning! Another visit to the farm, and now we are heading to La Granja Dos, where our bananas are. But right now we are facing the river, and we are passing a different way. We started here in the river instead of the main road over there, because it's very far. And now after the flood, after Typhoon Tino, this is how it looks. And then another typhoon, Bashang, which made this even more bigger river. So now it's all looking different.